Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to run Kotlin codes in Android Studio. Open Android Studio, select a new project and no activity. Click Next, and here, name the project as Kotlin Basics. Package, whatever you want, save location wherever you want, and select Kotlin. Then, keep the build configuration language as recommended for the Kotlin DSL. The build configuration language typically refers to the configuration files used for managing the build process of Android applications. The primary configuration language used in Android Studio for the purpose is Groovy-based domain-specific language DSL scripts, specifically the build.gradle files. Keep it as recommended, click Finish. Then to the left, select Android, select App, open Java, and inside the first package with no test hint, click New, Kotlin, Class or File, select File, and I'll name this Kotlin file Hello Kotlin. Click OK, and here we go. This is our new Kotlin file. We're ready to write Kotlin codes and test them in Android Studio.